Hi, I'm Carmen. My topic is trafficking. What is trafficking? Trafficking is buying and selling of men and women and children for profit. As we do the commercial trade, the same thing that happens. Trafficking is done for the purpose of exploitation. Trafficking is like a recruitment, as we recruit for the job, in the same way the victims are being recruited. Transportation, if the victims is from Bangladesh, they transfer to Kolkata and then transfer. Trafficking is about slavery. Trafficking is everywhere. The estimation, the International Labour Organization estimates that over 2 million children worldwide are involved in child labour. Over 2 million children are trapped in the child sex. Tourism industry of child, 42% are featured in pornography materials. 80% of those trafficked are women and nearly 50% are children below 18 years of age. Problems of victims. The victims who are being rescued, these are the problems or who are being kept under the perpetrators. Trafficking is violent. Most of them are physically abused, beaten, burnt and more. Victims are not free to go where they want. Victims are guarded to prevent the escape. It always the victims are put in a room and locked it, or they are being guided with someone. Victims face a medical problems with diseases like HIV, TB, psychiatric problems, and social stigma. If the victim goes to a family, will the society accept them? No. The principle that guide the way of our work are victim-centric. Our aim and goals is like victim needs and to rehabilitate them and to provide their facilities. A multidisciplinary approach. It's like a multidisciplinary approach where the advocates, the investigation team, the aftercare, all these play a role in rescuing the victim. Partnership. We have partners with the other NGOs, shelter homes and so on. Innovations. We do a different innovation for the rescuing of the girls from different places. Long term. As we do a long term, it's not a short term. It's like after rescue, we doesn't send them to home. We do a long procedure. We rescue them, put in a shelter and later find their problems. Aftercare plan. As soon as the victim has been rescued, before that we do a preliminary plan. And it's like whether how many girls will be minor, major and those things. We do a rescue and take them to police station for the FIRs and all the procedures to be done. And later CWC, if the minor girls is below 18 years, it will be taken for CWC. It's a Child Welfare Committee. And court, if their girls are above 18 years, we take them to court. And later after procedure, we take them to shelter home. We take them to a government shelter home which is being recognized. And later after this shelter home, taking these statements, we go for a home study. And interest of victims we take down. All these statements given by the victims we take down. And do a follow-ups regularly. Very alternate days, we go for a shelter home and follow-ups with victims. We do a counseling, we take them for a medical, everything's been done. And we provide them occasional programs, soft skills, and indoor and outdoor games. We involve them in the other activities. And later we do a rehabilitation process. It's not so easy for rehabilitation. If the victim accepts to go for education or to stay back in the shelter home, if there is a social stigma in the society or if the parents doesn't allow them back, then we provide them education for them, a job a marriage or training, whichever prepares for that victims. The program so far covered 283 perpetrators are being arrested, 128 persecution case against perpetrators, 120 NGO partners. We have different NGO partners with us who work together for the purpose of rescuing the victims. 3,800 senior police officers and public prosecutors are involved in this work of rescuing the victims. These we keep in a very confidential way, and 662 victims of trafficking are rescued. So far, we have rescued 662 victims. And it involves also the child laborers who have been from the Bihar place and who are involved in the manufacturing of bags and all those things. 372 women and children were able to return back, provided for repatriation. 297 women and children are supported in our victim protection program. 34 perpetrators are convicted. This is not a minor problem, it's a serious and major problem in the world we face. But it is not being seen, it is everywhere. We look at the trafficking of the victim, they are involved in the flesh trade and everything's happening. The awareness program, such thing will prevent the victims, or the education will prevent the victims to come into such trades. It is good to give an education for the girls as well as the boys, and where we have different settings, and the awareness program should be spread throughout the families and the neighborhoods so that such problems will not come across. And this is one of the major problems we come across in the world. Thank you so much.